Hi, today I'll showing you how to track Klaviyo form, and you can see it's created by Klaviyo Popup form. So, and I'm using a custom JavaScript code to track this form. So now let's say test, and here you can see it's a GTM preview mode. Here, if I add my mail and click here, then okay. Now if I close, then here you can see the Klaviyo form submission expired, and if I click here, then you can see my mail, and also I'm set up a server side tagging, so you can see here. And if I go event data, then you can see my mail, so it's working properly. Okay, so if you want to set up or tag Klaviyo or server side Google Ads, Google Analytics, then you can contact me. Thank you.